is pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus sigma an minus 1 raised to n minus 1 upon pi into n square cos n pi x, that is cos nx, L equal to pi, plus value of bn minus 1 raised to n upon n into sin nx, value of L equal to pi. So if you observe that coefficient of an and bn here for cos nx and sin nx, minus 1 raised to n minus 1 upon pi n square, while coefficient of bn is minus into minus 1 raised to n. This is our Fourier series of discontinuous function. So we find the Fourier series of these 3 examples, and let's try and Fourier series of some more example for the given slide. Here we give the some 4 problems of the same limit for 0 to 2 pi and 0 to 4, 0 to 2, etc. So for first function for Fourier series, that is f of x equal to x square, 0 less or equal to x less or equal to 2 pi. Second function f of x equal to x between 0 to pi and 2 pi minus x from pi to 2 pi. It is again discontinuous function. 2 different limit for the given here 0 to 2 pi. Now third function f of x equal to 2 minus x from 0 less or equal to x less or equal to 4. Limit is 0 to 4. And fourth one is f of x equal to 2 minus x whole square into 0 to 2. Limit is 0 to 2. So let friend calculate this function at home, and let's try one more function to find its Fourier series with different limit. So by Teletop, I will see you how to calculate the third one Fourier series. Teletop. So in the third function is given as f of x equal to 2 minus x, limit is 0 less or equal to x less or equal to 4. Limit is 0 to 4, so you have to compare this limit by our standard limit c to c plus 2l. So from here we get c equal to 0, lower limit, and c plus 2l equal to 4. Put c equal to 0 to the second term, so we get 2l equal to 4, and hence we can say that here l equal to 2. Here function is 2l periodic, so we can say that function is 4 period function. Now to calculate our Fourier coefficient a0, so let's recall its formula: 1 by L integration from c to c plus 2l f of x dx. So it is 1 by 2 because L equal to 2, integration from 0 to 4, f of x is 2 minus x into dx. So let's integrate this function. 2 is constant, so integration is 2 into x minus x, so its integration is x square by 2, limit is 0 to 4. So from here we can say that for x equal to 4, that is 8 minus x equal to 4, 4 square 16 by 2, it is again 8 minus lower limit is 0, so 0. Now 8 minus 8 is also 0, so here we can say that value of a0 is 0. for this function. So now let's find another coefficient an. So its formula 1 by L C2 C plus 2L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. That is same as 1 by 2 integration from 0 to 4. Function is given 2 minus x. Limit for L, value of L is n pi x. Value of L is 2. So n pi by 2 into x dx. Here cos n pi by 2 into x for this integration 0 to 4. So let again uv rule for integration of this two function. U is 2 minus x and v is cos n pi by 2 into x. So u as it is, so 2 minus x as it is, into integration of cos function, that is sine function. So sine n pi by 2 into x divide coefficient of x, that is n pi by 2, minus u dash, derivative of 2 minus x. We know that derivative of constant term is 0. So it is minus derivative of x is 1. So it is minus 1 into integration of sine n pi x by 2, that is minus cos n pi x by 2 divide again one more n pi by 2. So we can say that directly here n square pi square by 4. Here 1 is constant, so let's stop, and value of our integration is 0 to 4. Put x equal to 4 and x equal to 0. So for the first function, that is 2 minus x for 4, here x equal to 4. So n pi into 4 by 2. So we get n pi into 2, that is 2n pi. And we know that sine 2n pi, value of sine 2n pi is 0. So for the first term is 0. Now here for the second term minus, minus and minus. So you can also cancel this 2 minus. So it is minus cos, put x equal to 4, 4 and 2 get cancelled. So value of x here cos 2 and pi. So it is cos 2 and pi upon n square pi square by 4. So we can write here by 4 in a numerator, minus value of x is 0 for the lower limit. So for the first term sine 0 is 0. So for the first term is vanish. So its value is 0. Now minus, and for the lower limit is also minus. So minus minus plus, cos 0 is 1. So 1 upon n square pi square by 4. So we can say that it is 4 upon n square pi square. But we know that value of cos 2n pi is 1. So it is minus 4 into 1. So 4 upon n square pi square plus 4 upon n square pi square. It is positive and negative term. So we get cancel out these two terms and value of an is 0. This plus and minus get cancelled. So for here a0 is also 0. If you observe that a0 is 0, an is also 0. So bn must be non-zero. So another for bn function, formula of bn is 1 by L integration from c to c plus 2L f of x sine n pi x by L into dx. L equal to 2, so 1 by 2, integration limit is 0 to 4, f of x, that is 2 minus x, into sine n pi x by 2 into dx. Here this 2 is in an angle cos function, so we cannot take outside, and integration is UV rule, so for integration is 2 minus x into sine n pi x, so it is minus cos n pi x by 2 divide n pi by 2. This n pi by 2 is the coefficient of x, so to take as a denominator, minus again derivative of 2 minus x, so derivative of 2 is 0 and x is 1, so it is minus 1 into minus integration of cos, that is sine n pi by 2 into x divide n square pi square by 4. N pi by 2 is already there, and one more coefficient constant n pi by 2, so that is n square pi square by 4, and our limit is 0 to 4. Put x equal to upper limit and lower limit. So for the first function, so 1 by 2 into x equal to 4, so 2 minus 4, so we can write it is minus 2 into x equal to 4, 4 by 2, so 2, so that is cos 2n pi. Cos 2n pi value is 1, divide n pi by 2. N pi by 2, so we can write 2 as a numerator. Minus x equal to 4, 4 and this 2 get cancelled. So sine 2n pi we get, and value of sine 2n pi is 0, so this value is 0. Now for lower limit 0, x equal to 0, so 2 into 0, that is only 2 with minus sign for lower limit, into minus cos 0. So value of cos 0 is 1 upon n pi by 2, so we can again say that here it is 2. So let's simplify this. 1 by 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, so it is plus 4 upon n pi. Here also it is minus 2 and minus 2, so it is plus 4 upon n pi. So it is 4 plus 4, 8 upon n pi, and 1 by 2 as it is. So final answer is 4 upon n pi. So here we find all three coefficient and we put into our formula. So therefore Fourier series is formula of our Fourier series, that is a0 by 2 plus sigma n is from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus bn sin n pi x by L. So value of L is equal to 2 here, and value of a0 is 0. So first term is 0, value of an is also 0. So sigma n equal to 1 to infinity, first term is 0, plus value of bn, bn is 4 upon n pi sin n pi x by 2, value of L. Therefore our Fourier series is sigma n is from 1 to infinity 4 upon n pi sin n pi x by 2. We can also take outside this constant 4 upon pi. So 4 upon pi sigma n is from 1 to infinity 1 upon n into sine n pi x by 2. This is our f of x for this given function. So our function is 2 minus x, limit is 0 to 4. In this example, we get a0 is also 0, an is also 0, but bn is not 0. If bn is 0, so we cannot find our Fourier series. So there is no function there all three coefficients get 0 except our function is 0. So in a slide, so this is our 4 example, which is limit is starting from 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 or 0 to 4. So in our next lecture, we find for even function and odd function, Fourier series of such even function and odd function with limit minus pi to pi, minus 2 to 2, minus 1 to 1, etc. And also for exponential function and its Fourier series. And then we find half range Fourier series for this given function. So this is for your reference book, the first course in mathematical analysis by D. Somsundaram and B. Chaudhary. In our BSc engineering, it is an analysis book, and etc. There is one more or two more book for this Fourier series. Thank you.